I used to think I'd never even touch juices like this, until my mom handed me a glass and said, "Just try it." And honestly, from the very first sip, I was completely surprised. It wasn't hard to drink at all. Instead, it was incredibly refreshing, light, and soothing. Before we start, which country are you watching this from? Let me know in the comments. Today, I'm sharing the cucumber, ginger, and lime recipe that changed my perspective. Who knows, you might just fall in love with it, just like I did. First, I prepare the main ingredients: cucumber, lime, and fresh ginger. Since this recipe involves blending and using the entire skin, thorough cleaning is the most crucial step to ensure your health and safety. For the cucumbers, first, place the cucumbers into a bowl of water. Add a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of baking soda to create a natural cleaning mixture. Let them soak for about 10 to 12 minutes to completely remove any chemicals or wax on the skin. Once soaking is finished, rinse them several times under clean running water. Then go ahead and trim off both ends of the cucumbers. Cucumbers are an excellent source of structured water, helping to deeply hydrate and cool your body from the inside out. Next, I cut the cucumbers into small pieces to make them easier to blend. Uniform pieces will help the blender run smoothly and create a finer consistency. Cucumbers are rich in structured water for deep cellular hydration, while providing potassium to support blood pressure stability and detoxify the digestive system. Once sliced, I'll put all the cucumber pieces into a large bowl. Next, we have the fresh ginger. I break the ginger into smaller pieces to expose the crevices where dirt often hides. Then I soak the ginger in a diluted salt solution for about 5 minutes. Use a small brush to thoroughly scrub the tiny crevices of the ginger. Salt helps loosen dirt and eliminate bacteria clinging to the rough skin. Then rinse it with water to completely remove the dirty salt water. A small tip: you should not peel the ginger. Ginger skin contains a large amount of essential oils and anti-inflammatory compounds that are great for your health. You only need to trim off any withered or damaged parts. Ginger inherently contains a lot of tough fibers. Therefore, slicing it thinly will help the blender crush the ginger easily without fibers getting stuck in the blades. Once sliced, add all of the ginger into the same bowl with the cucumbers from earlier. The combination of cooling cucumber and warming ginger creates a perfectly balanced blend. As for the lime, I cut it in half and squeeze out the juice, making sure to remove the seeds and set it aside. Limes provide a rich amount of vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system and supports the body in fighting off colds. Additionally, lime juice gives the drink a much more refreshing and crisp taste. Now, it's time to put all the ingredients into the blender. Add the cucumber and ginger to the blender along with about 1.5 cups of filtered water, which is around 350 milliliters. I will blend this mixture for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until it's perfectly smooth. If you want an even smoother consistency, you can blend for another 10 to 15 seconds. I'm using a blender here, but if you don't have one, you can definitely use a juicer instead. After blending, I will strain this mixture through a sieve to remove the pulp. If you prefer a smoother and clearer juice, you can strain it a second time. Next, I add the pre-squeezed lime juice into the pitcher. Adding the lime last helps the juice maintain a pure tartness and, importantly, prevents it from turning bitter. Then I add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Adding honey helps balance the spicy kick of ginger and the tartness of lime while providing exceptional health benefits. Honey can sometimes be tricky to dissolve in cold liquid, so use a spoon to stir steadily until it's completely incorporated. And there you have it. Our juice blend is complete. And here is my result. A chilled glass of cucumber, ginger, and lime juice, incredibly refreshing. With just one sip, you'll immediately feel the coolness of the cucumber, a slight kick from the ginger, and the mild tartness of the lime. This drink is very easy to enjoy and provides an instant sense of refreshment. Cucumber, ginger, and lime juice not only detoxify and cool the body, but also support digestion, soothe the liver, and brighten your skin. Cucumber provides hydration, ginger aids digestion, and lime offers vitamin C to boost your immune system. You can drink it immediately to enjoy the natural flavor or adjust the lime and honey to suit your taste. Enjoy it in the morning, after a light snack, or on hot days to feel more refreshed. Note that those with sensitive stomachs should reduce the ginger and drink it after meals to avoid discomfort. Finally, store the juice in a sealed glass bottle in the fridge and consume within 24 hours. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you have a better way, don't hesitate to share. I'd love to try it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.